Welcome to another episode of Kraken's Garage. I'm your host, Eric. Today we're going to talk about our follow-up of the review of the WideWheel Pro CLE edition. I have 50 miles on it now. Talk about how she's doing. One of my friends took a nasty fall on it as well, so she's got some road rash on her. We're going to talk about how that went down and how well the scooter survived and how well he survived, if you will. We're also going to review a quick fix that you can do at home that'll save you some headaches. The folding part of the handlebars that has a tube and cinches down the handlebar so that you can stow it easily. Used over time, they'll get loose and doesn't give you a real confidence-inspired feeling when you're riding it and the handlebars jiggle a little bit. I'm going to show you how to fix it quickly and easily. Most importantly, 213 subscribers. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much to each and every one of you. It means the world to me. I'm working very hard trying to produce good content. We're getting there slowly and surely. Hopefully the quality of the videos are getting a little better with each one. Thank you so much. Here you can see this tube that you pull in to fold the handlebar down. Basically, this gets loose over time from use, and as you're riding down the road, this becomes kind of jiggly, as you can see here. So what we're going to do is open it up, and you'll see there's two Allen head screws on each side, and they're connected to one another. You're going to need two of the exact same size hex head wrench, and you can see she's kind of really already loose already. So what we're going to do is take them all the way out. And hopefully you can see these are the two screws that screw into each other. What we're going to do is put some Loctite on those and reinstall them and tighten them up firmly. Blue Loctite will do the job nicely. Make sure you don't use red. Red means permanent, and it makes it very difficult to get it off should you need to do any repairs later on down the road. Just a little bit will do. And let's reinstall this. Slip that shaft in and get this devil started. There she is, firm and tight, and no wiggle whatsoever. Okay, let's knock out the other side. I'm going to fast forward through this part. This is the screw we just anchored down with some blue Loctite. See these two screws right here? There's two more on the other side for a total of 4. And there's 4 on the other side as well. They loosen up as well and cause that wobble that happens in it, in the handlebar, with the use of the collapsing feature. So we're going to remove these 8 screws, throw some blue Loctite on them, and tighten her up and see how she does. That takes care of this side. She's all done. Zero wiggle in it at all. Nothing. Perfect. I'm not going to film the other side, but you get the idea of what you need to do. Just be sure you check functionality and make sure that she still collapses. Perfect. Don't forget to reinstall your bell. So what happened with my friend when he was riding, he was coming around the corner at about 15 miles per hour. He said the scooter slipped out from underneath him. I wasn't there, I didn't see it, so I really can't confirm or deny. So with that said, he took a hard fall. mashed up his face, his nose, his arm, elbow, and his knee pretty bad, as well as some road rash on his ribs and thighs, stuff like that. So I'll throw some pictures up on the screen and I'll blur out his face to keep him anonymous as best we can. In his defense, we tried to fit him with his helmet, my helmet, which is an extra large. He has a much bigger head, so he's at least a 3X, 4X, which I don't even know if you can get a BMX type helmet in that size, but that's something we're going to research. He had a ball on it. He hopes to buy one in the near future, so it didn't break his spirit on it, so that's good stuff there. Now, regarding 50 miles into my scooter, so far it's been flawless. Got a little loose up here in the handlebars, and we did the quick fix video. We did the quick fix video on that and showed you how you can remedy that at home very easily. It's not a big deal. But so far it's performed flawlessly. It's holding a great charge. I've had zero traction problems, and I'm putting about 3 to 5 miles on it a day. I maybe come back and do another review at 100 miles and tell you where I'm at. I need to kind of run it down to empty and measure how long it takes to charge it up. I will say the brick charger is kind of small for this size of battery, so it does take quite an extended period of time. In my experience, it's taken 4 to 5 hours to top it off with not even a fully run down charge battery. So I'm overall very happy with my purchase. I'll throw up, I got some scabs on it from his accident, and I'll throw up some pictures on the screen and show you them as far as the damage that the bike took. The structural integrity of the bike actually is fine. It runs like a champ. I don't know if I'm going to replace those levers or just file them down and shoot them flat black to match the powder coating that's on them. We'll see. If I do anything, I'll throw another quick video up on my minor repairs on that. So again, wear your gear when you're riding. It's no joke, honestly. Even at 15 miles an hour, this young man took a beating. So just bear that in mind. So to sum up this video, 2 thumbs up from Kraken on the Mercane WideWheel Pro CLE. I still love it. I'm telling you, it is more fun than you can have. You should be allowed to have. It's absolutely a blast to ride. So I strongly recommend it. We're working on longevity. I only have so much time in the day to do everything that I do and still get riding time in on my scooter. So time will tell. Hopefully in the future, I'm working on some ideas to get some other scooters to do reviews on, electric scooters that it is, and I'll keep you posted as that unfolds moving forward. If you want to purchase this scooter, I'll put the links down below from freefluidride.com and where I purchased mine. They've been great to work with. Again, I can't support those folks enough. Good vendors need to be get positive feedback, because heavens knows when things go wrong, everybody's quick to complain. Very few are quick to give a thumbs up to a merchant that's doing all the right things. So, and they certainly are, so give them a look. Here we go again. Kraken's garage, in case you didn't know, is haunted. These are my ghost dogs that come in and tell you if you like this video, give it a tentacles up. If you didn't like it, give it a tentacles down. If you want to see more, use your tentacle and hit that subscribe button down there in the corner. And I'll see you in the next one.
And remember, folks, go riding when you can, because it's good for ya.